So hello guys, welcome to AB Creatives. Today me and Bhargav will be showing you how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So watch until the end. Okay, so first thing is we have to do the white cross. So you should first thing is you should find the center. Then these kinds of pieces like white and blue.
And center should be in the top.
Yeah, center should be at the top. And white and blue is here. Like pieces like these, white and blue, and green and white, and many pieces like that you have to take. Like I've taken orange and okay, I've taken blue and white. And first thing you have to do is take the white down. So I've taken it down, and white is still top. So take this. Here is blue. So you have to make blue center. No, you have to take the blue center. So I've taken it. These both should be matching like this. Now green, white is not down. See, white is not down. It's the opposite. So what you have to do is you should turn it side and move this down and move this back to green because it's down. Now lift it up. So it's
So one line over.
Now here orange is already solved. And then now is the red. So now red is here, but if you move it down, this will get spoiled. So one thing you have to do is move this to a free place. Like
Move this down. Okay, no problem. Move this down
move
and
that
move
down.
it to a.
See, so if it is like this and red is here, move it down and move it any side, but it should go away. And this way, orange is still not shuffled, so move it back up. So that is all. So now red, I've solved it. So next is the
Bhargav,
white
don't shake your
cross.
leg. Don't hit your leg. I'm standing.
So the next is the white corners.
Okay, now it's mine.
Yeah.
Okay. So guys, see, I'm standing on this thing. Nice view. Now Bhargav's going to stand. I don't know what he will do.
Okay. Okay. So it's the white cross.
So Bhargav doesn't want to stand up, so I have to show you a bit proper. So we kept the white up, right? So you have to keep it down. Okay, now check for a piece which has white, not any other colors. Only white.
Only the corners.
Yeah, only the corner pieces which are white, not any other colors. Okay, so I found one here. Okay, now what are the other colors? It's red and green. So is red and green here? No. I'll turn it.
You should move it under red and green.
Yeah, so
Is
red
it
and
red?
green,
Green
it's
over here.
matched. Okay.
So it's matched.
Now I have to bring this down. I'll say one thing. So up, left, down, right. 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 So if you see it, guys, come here and this is matching.
That is an important move for this cube.
So how much ever you do, see, if you match it properly, then the first layer will be solved. Okay, without doing anything, the first layer will be solved automatically. That's the thing to make it do it fast. Next, I take this one. So it's blue and yellow, blue and orange. I'll move it.
Blue and red.
Yeah, blue and red. Okay, blue and red, blue and red. So I'll do those moves. Up, left, down, right. So it went down. Next, I'll take this. Not here. See the colors? It's not here. I'll move. Not here.
They're not.
Yeah, now. Now
Okay,
it
so
came.
it's
Okay.
orange and green. He matched it to orange and green.
So I'll
He's
do the
doing
four
those four
moves.
moves.
One. Up,
You
left,
have to do
down,
it with
right.
the right hand if it is in the right, and left hand if it is in the left.
Not like that. You can move it and make it.
Yeah. Okay.
Not like that. Okay. So last I have a piece. I'll match it. So orange and
place
blue.
where
Orange
there
and
is
blue.
there is no white. Take it there.
Okay. Not like that.
No, that is also easy too.
No, only in the last. Okay. Not in the first.
Only the last
Only at the last.
piece.
So
done.
first layer is done. Now Bhargav will show you how to do the second layer. I stood up.
So now is the second layer, which is this middle piece. This middle layer. So you already see this that it is solved. So you get the idea. So now we have to bring these pieces over here in the correct color. So to do that, you have to take a piece without white at the top. I mean without yellow at the top. So I've taken one color. It's green and orange. So I move it under green because green is down, and then orange is
Yeah,
at
you
the
have
top.
to move to the match it with the color
Match it with
which
the
is
color.
green, which is down.
And then orange
I
is
keep
here
making mistakes.
and orange is here. So you have to move it away from orange. Only with one move. So I'll move it at the left and do those 4 moves which are the start. So that one up, left, down,
See, if
right?
you move to left, you have to do right hand. Okay.
Yeah,
If
so
you move
this-
to right, you have to do left hand.
This piece has come out. So it's in your right. It's on your right hand. So
Turn it right.
turn it right. Now it's on your left hand. So do those 4 moves with your left hand now. Up, right, down, left. Then
Okay, left side is up, right, down, left. Right side is up, left, down, right. Understand?
okay. So now this piece is also the same thing. So blue and orange. So move it under orange. So move it
Away
left
from
side, which is away from blue, and then do
Move
right
it left
hand.
side, so right side.
And again, if it is
Move
on
it.
the right hand, move it to the left side and do those 4 moves.
No, move to the right side.
No, it's correct. Which I did.
Yeah, but you
Move
said
to
it
the,
wrong.
okay, move to the left side. Now this piece is ulta. So what you have to do to
Is-
take it out is,
Just do
that
without
4
matching
moves.
anything or doing
that-
anything, just take it out.
so this 4 moves, right hand 4 moves, and it's come out here.
So
it's on
move
your
it,
right
which
hand,
side
so
it
move
is?
it to the left and do the left hand. I mean right and do the left hand. See,
Now
it's
it
come
came out. Now
without
match it.
spoiling anything else. Now match this blue. I mean green and red. Green is this side. So I have to move this side and do the 4 moves. Now it's come here on my right hand. Move to the left hand. With the left hand I did it. So second layer is done. See.
Okay, now me. So one thing to remember, if it's ulta, you have to do without anything. And how it goes ulta is, the color which is up there, you have to match it with that. Then move away from the down color and do those moves, and it becomes ulta. I found out day before yesterday. So now is the yellow cross, okay? Yellow cross is different, not like the white cross. Don't spoil anything. Yellow cross is way different. Okay, and don't write this method for white cross. Okay, it won't be correct. So I've got a dot here. So one thing to remember, if it's horizontal, like if you get it like a line, keep it horizontal. Take one side, okay, and do the moves, 4 moves,
Which
up,
we
left,
thought-
down, right, right
No,
hand,
wait.
right hand.
Which he's going to teach. That one you have to do when it is
No,
horizontal.
no, that's the 4 moves which for second layer and in corners we
Yeah,
did.
that-
See, right hand you do. Okay.
That's why it's so important. Those 4 moves.
Okay, now I said line. Now if you get like a L, okay, like a L, keep it as an inverted L. So if I keep, I think this and this are also L. It'll become like a L. So if you keep it like this, it'll be inverted L. So keep it like an inverted L and do turn it this side. Do 4 moves. Even for horizontal, you have to turn. For everything, you have to turn.
But for dot, we are going to teach you right now.
Yeah.
Just a dot at the
See,
top.
line means keep it horizontal, turn, do the 4 moves and turn back again when it comes properly. When it comes like this, okay, now I'll teach you how to do a dot. For everything you have to do. If it comes like this, stop it. Okay, so I'll teach you for dot. Take on random place. Okay?
Not random place. Where is having yellow.
Every place has yellow. Because
But if there is no yellow in one place, don't take that place. Where
hey,
there is
don't
yellow.
be like that because
No, if there is an L, there'll be some places without dot. Without.
I'm saying for dot.
Okay. For
Because
dot.
here it's twisted. No, so it won't be like that. I'm saying for dot only. Okay, now from now onwards it's the same method. For L, take it. Okay, L should be like this. Take it. For horizontal, keep it line, keep it horizontal. Now for dot, take randomly, okay, and do the moves for everything.
Put
Okay,
it back. Wait.
for for line and thing, do these moves.
Okay,
Okay.
come on, fast.
So I have to turn. See, I have to turn it like this. Up, left, down, right. Up, left, down, right. So if you get a dot 2 times,
You did not say to move it back.
yeah, you have to move it back after you finish. Okay. Dot, you have to get
So
like a line.
when you turn, you have to turn this. Okay, turn
See,
it and show it
see,
again.
See, it was like this. Okay. I
You
turned
should
it like
turn
this.
the wire. You should turn it like this. Wherever there is yellow, you should turn it side.
Now is the thing.
You got it horizontal.
and see horizontal, I keep it horizontal. Okay, I'll take up, left, down, right. Yeah. See, one thing to remember, if you get it like a L, do those moves only 2 times and turn it back. Okay, if you get like a dot, first take the random, do 2 moves and take that back up, then it will be like line, keep it horizontal, do only once again. If it is horizontal, okay, if it's a line, do only once. Okay, so remember, so we have got our Y cross. Now Bhargav will teach you next on. Start it.
You stop it. Okay, so now Atish has done the yellow cross. Now it is these pieces,
faster,
the
do faster.
middle pieces. So now this, at least there should be 2 colors matching of this centerpiece. I move this side. Here it's matching,
But
and
nowhere
nothing
else.
else is matching. So you keep moving around until 2 matches like this.
Yeah. And one thing to remember, give it here. I can say it better. Sorry. Okay. Now you have to take 2 colors. You have to keep it in the middle. So I keep it like this, like a diamond. So this will be the opposite, right? This edge. You have to take the left side of the edge. So edge is here, left side of the edge. Turn it. Now you have to do everything here. Now Bhargav will teach you.
Okay, so now I'll show you the move that is only for solving these centers. Don't use it anywhere else. So it is up, left, down, left, up, left, left, down, and left. So
See,
it's got.
See one thing. First time you do this. Okay. You have to do only once. Now when second time you have to turn twice, but going down you have to turn only once. Okay, so I'll solve this for him. Done.
Okay.
Now it's my chance.
Oh yeah. Okay,
Now-
so he's going to
Now
show
is the
the
corner pieces. If you march corner pieces and if it goes like this, it's done. The cube is done. Okay. Now this is actually very short. Can I teach even flipping the corners, please?
No, you can't flip the corner.
No, not flip. Like turning the.
Okay.
Can I?
Okay.
Now, check for a piece this is matching. It's not matching. Don't turn it. Don't turn anything. So these both colors are not matching. Don't take yellow. Take the other colors. Not matching.
Save. How is it not matching?
Yeah, because this is blue and orange. This is green and orange. So it's not matching. Of course. Okay. So
But
these
they
both
won't
colors
not know how
are
to
not
do that.
match. I said not to take yellow. Okay. Now these both colors are matching. See, red and blue. So don't do these moves anywhere else. Okay. I'll teach you where to do. So
Only when this time comes. Only the corner solving.
yeah. Okay. So what you do is left up, right up. So second time left down, right down. Okay. Now you see it is matched. Now is the flipping corners. Now I'm going to do that. So what you have to do is do the 4 moves, right?
So
and
yellow should go down. That's the last part.
So
this is how we should do the yellow.
I'm not showing it slowly. I'm doing it fast. Okay, because you all know the moves. So if you see it has come, so don't turn it like this. Okay.
Hey, what
Mistake.
have you done?
Don't turn it like this. Mistake. So what you do is turn only the down. Okay. Turned. Now I'll do the 4 moves.
Until the yellow goes down.
Yeah.
See, the
Now
yellow's
the yellow has gone down.
Yellow's gone
and,
solved.
and corners are matching. Okay. Now I turn it. The cube is done. Solved. So guys, if you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to AB Creators.
AB Creators.
So, oh no, I thought of taking video. Charges class. Okay, turn off, power off.
Subscribe.